Hello, sir.
Hi.
What do you feel after getting her bilateral implant done? What have you seen in her confidence? What changes you felt after
I
that?
think bilateral has helped her to kind of overcome the gap which she was having as part of natural hearing. And we also took a call so that, whatever a normal person or a natural hearing a person is supposed to have, with the bilateral implant, the same features or the same benefits are made available to her right from day one. So be it therapies, be it the listening skills, be it the understanding, be it directional, anything. So for anything, let her have, our decision was to let her have the same set of hearing available rather than us experimenting or opting for a unilateral implant first and then the bilateral one, and
Right.
and her going through the same process once again of mapping of a healing process, and then her shift from listening or depending totally onto a single implant to a bilateral one, which is where we thought the bilateral one from the word go would be helpful for her.
Yeah,
That was the key reason why we took that decision.
Okay. What do you feel her response or her performance in noisy situations? Or what have teachers told you about her performance in academics in school?
They are pretty much okay with it. In fact, there have been comments that if you haven't told us or if you didn't tell us that she's wearing an additional device to upgrade her hearing, there would not be much of a dissimilarity between her and any other child who was at her age or at the same hearing age. And so goes with her response, that yes, there could be a bit of a differentiation because obviously machine can never replace a natural hearing, but then whatever the machine is there to deliver is delivering at par, and with the bilateral it just updates her response systems to that level. So
That's
that's the kind of compliment we generally tend to get.
Yeah. I think she's doing really good when she sang 2 songs with us.
Yeah.
So you think this journey was worthwhile so far?
Definitely. In fact, from the time we first came across this kind of a concern to the time where she was implanted and gradual development and changes, we've been through quite a while. And it's as parents, we kind of feel a bit restrictive and dependent or hesitant that what the child can perform. But once you see them grow, once you see them perform, more importantly, somebody actually told us that you just try and put those challenges to them. You will be the one as parent or as an outsider. You'll be surprised to see what they can deliver. So I don't see any difference between them and anybody else in terms of the outcomes or the outputs they give. Provided you have the right training, you have the right implant or the timing of the implant and the right guidance.
Yes, sir. Okay. That's nice to hear.
Right?
Thank you.
Thank you.